Stop paying designers for calendars in year 2026. I'm going to show you how to generate these exact viral designs for free on your mobile phone. If you stay tuned to the very end so that you don't miss any part of it. Let me show you how to get the app. So for me, you can see the Gemini AI app as one of my favorite app here. But in case you don't have it already, just go to your Play Store, or if you are using Apple, you can go to Apple Store and simply search for Gemini AI. All right, so simply search for Gemini AI. It will bring a lot different one, but the one you want to use is not the sponsored one. Don't go to the sponsored one. You must see this type of logo. All right, so I have it already, and so I can open it. Okay, so but in case you are not able to open it, let me show you the other alternative. The other alternative is that you can go back to your Play Store and go to your favorite browser. So for me, my own favorite browser is Chrome. All right, so I can go to Chrome. You can use any other browser as well. I can go to Chrome. Once I get to Chrome, I can now go to the web browser version. So you can also use this also on your PC if you are using a laptop. So you can see gemini.google.com. Don't make the mistake. Spell it in the spelling. Ensure you type it out correctly. Gemini.google.com. So once you come to gemini.google.com, it's going to bring you this portal. All right. So the same way you have it on the app, also similar way you have it on Gemini. So now let us create this image. So you can see different options here. I can create image. Alternatively, I can turn on this and ask it to create images. So once I ask it to create images, it turns on the Nano Banana model in Gemini AI, which is the AI model that is responsible for hyper-realistic image generation. All right, so once I get here, all I need to do next is to paste the prompt. So I've already copied the prompt. You copy the prompt from the description or the caption, however you get it, and then you paste it here. I want to use this time to tell you, if you are not yet in our WhatsApp channel where we post prompts like this, please ensure you check the description to get it, because there you'll be able to get all updates as we post this type of content. All right, so now you go through the prompt and ensure that everything is right. Okay, so for this particular one, it's just a generic prompt. Take note of this particular phrase. It shows that I want it to be as exact as my uploaded image. So therefore, I need to upload an image. All right, so I need to upload. If you have it on photos or all, but let me typically use upload file, which most of you will use. So go to photos and videos. I go there. I want to select one of my recent photos and ensure that it's a sharp one. Okay, it should be a sharp one. So let me go to images. Very sharp, front facing, preferably a sharp image, probably a studio one, or it could also be one you snap with your photo, but let it be a sharp one, not blurred. All right, so under my images, it should show under my recent. Okay, it's just loading slowly. So see this my headshot now. All right, you can see the kind of cloth I'm wearing, but based on the prompt, it's going to change my wear to become an elegant suit. All right, it's going to change it to this type, elegant suit with simple shirt. If you want it to be a different attire, different clothing, you can change it yourself. So this is how it goes. I just go through the prompt again to be sure that everything is all right. So right away, I'll just click generate. I think it's all good. So I just click on generate. After this, I'm going to show you how you can further customize it to suit what you desire. All right. But now let's just see how this one generates a very quick one. So now it's going to load Nano Banana Pro, which is the AI image model that allows Gemini AI to generate hyper-realistic images. So just wait some few seconds. It's going to load. All right, so it's showing the thinking, and here we go. Awesome. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Awesome. Beautiful. Wow. Beautiful. 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 So once I have this, I can save it. All right, so to tell me downloading, I can save it. All right, I can keep it on my phone. I can also try to generate a different one as the case may be. And if in case you are having issue downloading, all you just have to do is just screenshot and then crop, so that you have it on your phone and you can share. So now my image is downloaded. Okay, so I can go back, I can also share it, but now I want to create a different version, which is what I want to show you next. Now I want to edit the prompt. Okay, I want to edit the prompt. So this particular prompt that we have, I want to edit it and customize it to my business brand. So let's go. Let's do this together. So if you have a prompt, you can realize that the other time I really didn't change anything in the prompt. I pasted it like that with my picture on it, and it came out well. So now I want to go through the prompt one step after the other and edit it. To achieve this, I will upload my brand logo, okay, which is Teams Media in that I want to use in this tutorial. So Teams Media logo, I just upload it. All right, so let's create a calendar, and probably we can even change some words there. So create a modern minimalistic 2-column calendar layout design displayed as a tabletop mockup on a soft pastel background. On the left column, you should make it a bold abstract graphic cover with a purple to magenta gradient background. And now I want it to integrate not exact photo, integrate exact logo as uploaded. All right, keeping exact. So this one is not face, no skin tone, no, just say keeping exact features. All right, so keeping exact features unchanged. All right, now this logo is not wearing anything, so it's just fine. Then shot with realistic studio lighting, awesome. Then now central large circular shape with layered rings, so that's going to be something around the background, so it's going to be like a frame. Large bold text calendar 2026, that is fine, but this time around I want to rename it. I'll just say happy new year 2026. Okay, then decorative geometric month, labeled elements, zigzag lines, arrows, dots, small shapes placed asymmetrical in the background, that's fine. Placed asymmetrically in the background, that's fine. Clean modern flat design style with subtle depth and glow, that's also fine. On the right column, but be a white background with a clean structured 12-month calendar arranged in a, this is a typo error, but you get the idea. All right, arranged in a neat grid, 3 columns by 4 columns, each clearly at the top width. So this double bracket tells Gemini AI that it should insert the exact month, so that's January, February, March, or to December. Then days of the week abbreviated, you should do that. Minimalistic typography, high readability, balanced placing, that's fine. I don't need to change anything that. Then let's go to design style. For the design style, it should be a contemporary graphic design, corporate creative studio aesthetic, flat UI with soft studio, then elegant uncluttered layout. I want it like that. I'm not changing anything. Color palette, dominant purple, violet, and magenta tones. This also aligns with my own brand color. So in case you want to have a different brand color, you can change it maybe from purple, you can change it to blue, you can change it to red, you can change it to yellow. Anyone that fits your style. But for me, this works fine, so I'm not going to change anything. Then white and dark gray text on the calendar column. Accent colors for month headers, customizable. So if you want to change this, that's why I put customizable there. So if you want to change it to your own, you can customize it. But if not, just use it the way it is. All right. Typography, bold sans serif for titles, clean sans serif for dates. This also works fine for me. If you have a specific font in mind, maybe like Times New Roman, Arial Black, and many other fonts, you can change it if you desire. Light and quality, I want it to be a studio lit mockup appearance. Perfect. High resolution, print ready. Let me just add a little tone, 300 dpi. So to show you that it should be a very high quality. So sometimes you can have, for example, on mobile, you can have like 60 to 100 dots per inches. But for something that has to go to print, 300 dots per inches is very high. It shows that it should be high resolution. Do you understand? So those are just qualifying. The aspect ratio, landscape, 16:9. If I want it to be a different uh, aspect ratio, maybe for example, maybe I want it to be a Instagram post this time. Maybe for this one, I want it to be an Instagram post. I can change that from 16:9 is like landscape, like the size of your TV screens. Okay, but if I just want it to be something I want to post for Instagram, I can change it to Instagram post and change the aspect ratio, one ratio. So you can see the thought process and the way I'm flowing from one step to another. This is how we modify prompt. This is how we adjust prompt and all. Then usage, I want it to be a printable calendar mockup. Okay, so this time around is not necessarily printable. A social media, exactly, for this particular application that I'm doing. Then corporate, This is not personal, this is just a corporate planner design. Okay, one more thing I want to do to customize this is I want to add a text, or I want to add a text. So after this right column, just I want to place a text there, and something I want to type there is that it should include a horizontal banner below the calendar column, all right, with the text. I want it to add a text. So for me, let me just give you this example. So you can have it as this: brand name, brand name wishes you a happy and prosperous new year 2026. Then let me put this in column so that it recognizes where this text starts and where it goes. So something like this is just an addition. So you can be creative and look at what are the things I can add to this particular prompt. So brand name. In my own case, my own brand name, which I'm going to adjust now, my brand name is Teams Media. So I'm going to say Teams Media wishes you a happy and prosperous new year. So it should include a horizontal banner, right, below the calendar column with the text. I think that's just perfect. That's perfect. All right. So I go through it. I hope that everything is set. And once everything is set and fits what I have in mind, then I click send for it to generate. So let's see how it goes. All right. So this is how you can edit prompts to suit your style, and now you can use it for a corporate brand. So the earlier one was just for a personal brand, but now we are customizing it for a corporate brand. So we wait for a few seconds for the Gemini AI to generate this, and then you will see what it comes up with. Okay, so just a few seconds and it's going to generate. Defining cover elements, confirming alignment, show thinking. Whoa, whoa, wow, wow, wow. This is awesome, beautiful. Wow, I'm surprised. Wow, wow. Happy New Year 2026, Teams Media, January, February, March. Look at the color, look at how it brings everything out. Then look at that horizontal banner that I asked it to do. Can you see that? Can you see this? Wow, this is beautiful. Can you see this? Teams Media wishes you a happy and prosperous New Year 2026. This is great. So if you have a different text in mind, you can change it, you can adjust it to fit whatsoever text you have. Awesome. So you can see the headline that we changed. You can see the logo also. You can see everything. This is how you do it, and then you save. You know. So feel free to adjust. Feel free to edit. Feel free to modify as you desire, and ensure that you like, subscribe, and make a comment. Let us know if you really like content like this so that we can produce more of it in the course of the year. And if you have any question, also feel free to drop it in the comments. I personally reply to each and every comment. So ensure you do that. And now I have my file downloaded, and I can now share. I can share my social media. I can share my social media for me to be able to wish people a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, or just share the calendar to be able to create more brand awareness for myself and my business. Awesome. I hope to see you in the next tutorial. Keep being good, keep prompting. Ensure you also check out our other prompts in the WhatsApp channel so that you can get more of this and don't miss out. See ya. Bye.